Yo, what up, though? Today's video, we're unboxing the brand new Oakley Meta glasses. I pre-ordered them as soon as they were announced about a month ago, and they're not necessarily made to compete with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Instead, they're aimed at a different segment. These are designed for a more active wearer, someone who's snowboarding, sledding, or golfing, or whatever. So looking at the box is pretty simple. On the outside, it says HSTN. HSTN is the model of frames that they are. They're designed to be gender neutral and designed by skate culture. My box was seemingly opened on the side already. I don't know how. So I won't be getting that clean unboxing moment. Normally, you're supposed to slide the whole thing out, but yeah, we adjust. Inside the box, you get the glasses housed in a case that has a rubbery plastic texture. I really can't figure out exactly what it is, but it actually feels pretty good. Under the first tab, there's the glasses cloth. And in the next tab, we have our documentation, which I will most definitely read tonight before bed. Unless I'm missing something, I didn't see a USB-C cable included, but it does charge via USB-C at the bottom of the actual case. Now open the case, the glasses were wrapped in a protective paper around the arm. Now you also see this QR code that comes on the box, and once you scan it, it will open up your Meta View app or prompt you to download it. Make sure you download the latest version of the app or update it, otherwise you won't find the glasses in the app. You press the little plus button in the corner, and then at the bottom of the case, you press and hold the pairing button until the light turns blue. The light already might be flashing blue when you open up the first time, but if not, you do that, and the app will walk you through the setup process. I've only taken a few pictures and videos with the new camera, but right away, I did notice a big jump from the Ray-Ban models. You're getting a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor that shoots 3K video and 1080p slow motion at 120 frames per second, and it looks really crisp. Battery life is also huge when here, almost double than what I got on the Ray-Bans, with about 8 hours of use plus 48 more hours in the case. The speakers are much louder and still super clear, and you could definitely hear the upgrade on that side. For size comparisons, next to my Wayfarer large Ray-Bans, these Oakleys still keep a sleek profile despite the internal upgrades, but the case is noticeably larger and heavier too. And yes, the notification LED still flashes when you take pictures and videos. Listen, creeps, there's no reason to turn that off. Now for my real opinion, I'm not a huge fan of the white frames. Personally, I'm really looking forward to the black ones. I think those look absolute fire. The frames feel a bit more narrow and snug, which makes sense if they're built for more active use, or I just got a big old head. Maybe the white ones will grow on me. What do you guys think? I will have a full review and comparison coming up really soon when I get some more time with it. These are $4.99 and they're available right now using my link. Tap in.